I do want to continue to talk a little bit about renewable energy and that 70% renewable energy by 2030. Now, how much renewable energy, how much solar and wind do we have now, and how far do we have to go?
Yeah. So I think we were blessed in New York State with hydro. This is kind of a legacy renewable. I think we're 28% of the way there. We have to get to 70 in essentially now 7 years. But the magnitude and scope of what we have to do in the next 7 years is daunting. Let's make no mistake about it. The amount of projects that need to be approved and built and financed in that next 7 years is enormous. And I think we have a large uphill battle to get there. I think, candidly, there's a lot that needs to be done on both siting and financing and building out projects here in the next 7 years to come close to meeting that goal. That's my sense, and obviously Ken and Gavin have a point of view as well, but we have a long way to go, Joe, to meet this goal in 7 years.
Sure.
I represent renewables. They play a vital role in New York on an energy diversity standpoint. They certainly help the grid maintain its reliability. Anthony's point is well taken. We have an abundance of hydropower in New York State. We have a lot of nuclear power in upstate New York. What I would say is that emissions-free electricity is a big number in New York State. We have a lot of emission-free electricity, somewhere in the neighborhood of 60% of emission-free electricity. Can we get to 70 by 30? I think it's possible. It's going to take a lot of things to happen right. And one of the things is really important is financing and affordability and whether folks can afford this. The siting laws need to improve. A lot of things need to improve to get there. But can we get there? Conceivably, we could get there. My biggest complaint of the CLCPA is where do you get the next 25 to 30% by 2040? Because the law requires wind, solar, and storage. And we're silent about all these other innovative technologies, which I'm sure we'll talk about, that could come to New York. And that's where I feel like is the magic. Where's the rest of this magic going to come from? Because we don't know today.